Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are good. In our previous class we have started revision of for the term 1 examinations, and we have completed 2 questions, that is question number 1, tick the correct options for and we will give options. Question number 2, state whether true or false. I gave many examples. Similar to those examples also you may get, or else you will get other examples also from the textbook. If you are perfect with all the theory part, then you can easily give the answers to the questions. So today let's start the question number 3, do as directed. In this you will get 6 questions. See, 2 6 are 12. So 6 questions you will get, and all the 6 questions will be different from each other. So concept of the question paper or the questions will be different. All the questions will not be same, and these carries 2 mark for each. So let's start first. One example I have taken. This may come or may not come, but whatever examples I will take, similar to this only you will get the questions in the examination. Verify a minus into bracket minus b is equal to a plus b for the following values. They will give a is equal to what and b is equal to what. You should take these values and put in this equation. Whether this will obey or not, you should verify. Okay, solution. How to solve I will tell. Solution. A is equal to 15, B is equal to 31. Whatever is given in this, you should take it. Then take the equation, that is A minus into bracket minus B is equal to A plus B. You should have LHS is equal to RHS, then it is correct. So put the values in the A and B. What is A? A is 15 minus B is 31. So here what is A? 15 plus 31. Okay. Next, simplify this. 15 minus into minus plus 31 is equal to 50 plus 31. Now go for addition. 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus 1 4. Here also 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus 1 4. 46 46. So LHS is equal to RHS. This much you have to write. Then you will get, if you write this much, you will get 2 marks for this. Sometimes here I have taken 15 and 13. You may get another number, 75 or minus 25 like this. That time also, whether it is you will get LHS is equal to RHS or not, you should verify. Okay. Next question. Find these. A. Find these. Minus 11 plus 53 is equal to how much? B. Minus 15 minus 8 is equal to how much? You will get, these are very simple problems, so that 2 mark for 2 you have to identify this. So minus 11 plus 53 is equal to minus and plus. What you have to do? You should do subtraction. So subtraction means 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 1 4. 42. Which sign you should keep? The big number sign. So 53 is big number. It is having plus. So positive 42. So the answer is 42. Here minus 15 minus 8 is equal to minus and minus 2 minus same signs. So you should go for addition. So 15 plus 8 minus sign. So minus 23. Yes, you may get another numbers. So practice these all. Question number 3. Write additive inverse for the following. Additive inverse for the following. So the given examples 75 b minus 38. What is additive inverse? So whatever example has given, if it is positive, you have to write the negative one. Okay, answers 75 additive inverse is minus 75. Then this is A, B, answer minus 38 additive inverse is 35, because here it is in negative, you should do the inverse in positive. If it is positive, the inverse will be negative. Okay, next. Fill in the blanks with answer. So A, 3 into minus 5 is equal to minus 15 dash into 3. B, 5 minus 5 into 2 is equal to minus 15 into 2 is equal to 150. 30 minus into plus minus is equal to 2 into dash. There are two blanks, so you should be aware of it. Which property is this? This is commutative property. So orders are changing. 3 5s are 15. Here, so orders they have changed. Here 3 has come last. So what will be here? That is minus 5. So 5 3s are again 15, you will get minus into plus, you will get minus. Here also same, this is order property. 15 2s are 30, minus into plus minus. Here 2 has come first, order has changed. Here what is this? A into B. Here at what has become? This is B. Okay, it has become B into A. So what is B? That has come in 2. So A you should write here, that is minus 15. Okay. Find product. Find product. In find these you are having addition also and subtraction also. Find product means you should go for multiplication. You will get many integers. A minus 5 into 3 into 5. B 5 into minus 10 into 3. So you will get any two, you have to go for multiplication. First do 2 and then you will go for another one. So minus 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15, minus into plus minus. Then into 5. 15 5s are. What is 15 5s are? 75, minus into plus minus. This is the answer for this 1 mark. And B also same. First you should multiply with 2. 5 10s are 50, plus into minus minus, then multiplication with 3. So 53s are 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15. Minus into plus minus. So if you do this much, you will get 1 mark for this. This is 1 mark. So altogether 2 marks. Find these. It is. Next question. Use greater than, less than or equal to sign in the box. You will get again 2 minus 8 plus into bracket 4 bracket minus 8 minus into bracket 2. Yes. B again I will take here up. One I will solve first, then we will go for B. So you have to put here greater than, less than or equal to. To decide that, what you need to do is you have to compare these two numbers. First you should get the answer. So minus 8 plus into minus minus 4. Both are minus. Go for addition. 8 plus 4 12. So minus sign. Here minus 8 minus into minus plus 2. So symbols are different. You should go for subtraction. 8 minus 2 6. So big numbers symbol is minus. So minus. Minus 12 is big or minus 6 is big. Which one is big? You have to decide now. Minus 12 or minus 6. So minus 6 is bigger than minus 12. So you should put the symbol. You can do this calculation in any rough. Lastly you can do here, or whatever I have did now, like this only you have to do. Then it is accurate answer. Okay. Here again you will get one more B, that I will write up. B 5 into minus 2 minus 5 into 2. Yes. Or else I will take here 3. Okay. Simplify this and take the answers, then compare it, then put the signs. 5 into minus 3. 5 3s are 15 plus into minus minus 15 is the answer. Here 5 3s are 15 minus into plus minus. Minus 15 minus 15 both are equal. So you can put the equal to sign. Okay, like this any examples you will get in the question paper. So like these questions you will get do as a directed main question, and so to solve these all the 6 questions will be different from each other. So you have to go through whole the lesson, because only one lesson you can easily practice and you can score out of out. Okay, whatever I have solved on the board, you have to solve these all in your fair notebook. Yes, and practice, take another problems also and practice it. Okay, next question is the 4th question. Question number 4. Solve the given word problems. So this is also very important. 3 into 6 is equal to 80. Solve the word problems. Whatever word problems you are having in your textbook. First of all, this is only one lesson. So whatever problems are, word problems are there in your lesson, you practice all the questions, because I will give 6 questions from your textbook only. Just numbers will be different. Question will be same, sentences will be same, but whatever the numbers they have given, that numbers will be different. Okay. So don't take those numbers only. Practice by taking taking another numbers only. So I will tell you some questions, word problems. These only will come to the exams, but numbers will be different. Exact I will not give. Question exercise 1.1. There is a many word problems related to one picture, that is number line which is having temperature. That also may come. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it roses by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? So like this, all the type of word problem, whatever is given in your textbook, that you should solve and practice. These all may come, but numbers will be different. Okay, these are all related to word problems. And tomorrow I will tell you some pictures. Okay, I will take some pictures. I will ask the questions on it. By seeing that question, you have to answer the questions. So that is last question, number 5. Observe the picture and answer the following. It means one picture will be having some informations. By seeing that information, you should answer for the asking questions. Okay. So whatever the pattern we have discussed, that is question number. Tick the correct options given below. You will get 4 options, and then you have to select that the correct answer. And second one is state whether true or false. Third, do as directed. We have solved now. So these questions, examples, you also solve as a homework now, today only, and send those pictures to me. Many students, you are whether watching the video or whether you are practicing or not, we are not coming to the clear picture. So today onwards, you have to send the homework on that day itself, because I am not getting all your homeworks. All 7th standard students, I am telling you, you can take it as a warning also. Okay, today onwards I am going to take the attendance on the basis of your homework. Who will send the homework, that boy will be present today. Who will not send the homework, for them I will put absent. So these attendance only will consider to your marks card. Okay, so it's today you will, who will send the homework, they will be present. Who will not send homework to my mobile or my number, you will become absent. Okay, so be aware of it. Every day you should send me homework. Then I will come to know this boy is doing, this boy is not doing. Some are doing, some are practicing, some are doing proper revisions, but you are not sending photos to my WhatsApp number. Okay, so leave that. Today onwards, whatever you will get the homework after class, solve it fast and take one picture, and then you send it to my WhatsApp number. Then I will come to know, oh, this boy has seen the today's video and he has done the homework, so present. I will make it the attendance sheet. Continuously 3 days, who will not send the homework, I will call them. Okay, your class teacher will call you all. Even I too will call. Yes, don't take the chance to call, and give the chance to blame you all. I will intimate to your parents also, you are just wasting your time by having smartphone. Yes, don't allow me to do these such aspects. So please do it in a regular manner like a good students. Then it will be good for your future only. Okay, I hope you understood this. So practice this in next class. Tomorrow I will tell you some word problems, and the last question, observe the picture. I'll give you 2 pictures and information of that. On the basis of that you can solve the questions. Okay, thank you.